Welcome back, guys. Lately, people have been reporting that the iPhone 14 Pro model's camera shakes and makes weird noises while using Snapchat and Instagram, especially in TikTok. As you can see, my iPhone 14 Pro Max has the same problem in TikTok. The camera shaking so badly, basically you can't use TikTok to post this video. You can see the camera actually is shaking on the back of your iPhone. Not just the video is shaking, and not just shaking, it also rattling, making a wired and loud noise. Making me really afraid. I just got my iPhone Pro Max for a day. Is this gonna break my iPhone camera? I don't know. I hope Apple can fix this as soon as possible. Luckily, according to Mark Gurman, Apple has identified a fix for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max camera shaking and rattling issue and will release a software update next week. It means the iPhone camera shaking and rattling in the social app will be fixed very soon. It's good, but we still need to put up with this issue for a few days. So, here I recommend you try to force restart your iPhone. See if the severity of the issue can be reduced. Press the volume up and press the volume down, then press and hold the power button. Keep holding till the Apple logo appear. Then you can go to check if the issue is still there or not. When the day Apple released the update they used to fix this iPhone camera shaking and rattling issue, you can try to use ReiBoot to fix your iPhone camera. You can fix this issue with ReiBoot with just a few clicks. Start button, standard repair, download firmware. Start repair. Just a few clicks, and a while. Strongly recommend you try ReiBoot to fix your iPhone camera. ReiBoot can download and repair way more faster than iTunes. Okay. In general, this iPhone Pro model shaking and rattling issue is very serious and terrifying. I hope Apple can do its duty to make sure no more such terrible issues happen again. Hope this video is helpful to you. I'll be grateful if you subscribe. See you guys soon.